continuation of the beat, we can find out the equation of the beats. Let us consider two sound notes having same amplitude and same direction but different frequencies n1 and n2. Therefore its displacement see how many sound wave notes are there? Two sound notes. See, this is the first sound note and the second one will be there. This is the first sound note and it will be the second sound note. Okay, first sound note and the second sound note. Okay, now the first sound note of the displacement, you can say the y1 is equal to a cos omega 1 into t. See, this is the displacement of the first sound note, and therefore displacement of second sound note, that is the y2 is equal to a cos omega 2 into t. Here these two sound notes having the same amplitude and same direction. This is the time interval and this is the displacement. Time interval and displacement, y axis and it is the x axis. Okay, therefore resultant displacement y is equal to y1 plus y2. See here the y1 is equal to how much is there? We can substitute the a cos omega 1 into t plus y2 a cos omega 2 into t. See here a will be take the common, cos omega 1 into t plus cos omega 2 into t. We know the one of the trigonometry formula. What is there here? The cos of a plus cos a plus cos b. Cos a plus cos b is equal to 2 cos a minus b by 2 into cos of a plus b by 2. See, this is the one of the trigonometry formula. What is there here? The cos a plus cos b. Cos a plus cos b is equal to 2 cos a minus b by 2 into cos of a plus b by 2. This is the principle. Now can apply here. See, this is omega 1 is considered the a and omega 2 considered the b. Then write here the resultant displacement y is equal to, see what is there the before 2 into a cos of a minus b nothing but omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t dot cos of omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2 into t. See, this is the formula for here. We are getting the y is equal to 2a cos of omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t into cos of omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2 into t. See, this equation, in this equation, this term is called 2a into cos of omega minus omega 2 by 2 into t called as the resultant of amplitude. Say that is the beats amplitude. Beats amplitude. So beats amplitude, what is considered this is AB, denoted by the AB, the amplitude of the beats. This is the term. This is the term is called as the amplitude of beats. This is the 2A cos of omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t. The remaining term, the cos of omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2 into t is called harmonic of wave. What is called this name? Harmonic of wave. See, this is the beats of amplitude. The beats of amplitude, how much is there? AB is equal to 2A cos of omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t. And remaining term, what is there? Isn't it? Cos of omega 1 plus omega 2 by 2 into t is called as the harmonic of a wave. Now here, therefore, intensity of wave is directly proportional to square of the amplitude. See, that is the I is directly proportional to the square of the amplitude. Now write here the amplitude square. Now the intensity will be increasing, the amplitude can be also increasing. Now it is based on the intensities and amplitude based on, we can find the maximum and minimum of a wave. What we can find is the maximum and minimum of a wave. The maximum is nothing but using of the beat of amplitude. Resultant intensity is denoted by the IR is equal to 4 I naught cos square omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t. See, this is the resultant of intensity. What is the formula? IR is equal to 4 I naught cos square omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t. Then we can find out the for maximum intensity and for minimum intensity. See here, the first condition for maximum intensity. See here, so what is the formula we taken by the intensity is the cos of omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t is equal to, see here the maximum is the cos maximum whenever is there, there is a value is the 1 and minimum is there minus. See, taking the plus or minus 1. Now this cos is taken here. For maximum intensity, what is the formula taken by there? Cos of omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t is equal to plus or minus 1. The cos is taken this side. Omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t is equal to cos inverse of plus or minus 1. See, we know that the cos values. Cos 0, how much is there? 1. Cos 90, 0. Cos 180, minus 1. Cos 270, 0. And cos 360, what is the other? 1. See, this is the value of the cos. Cos of 90, cos of 180, cos of 270, cos of 360. Now here the cos we can observe here the values are the plus 1 to minus 1. The maximum is the plus 1, the minimum is the minus 1. See 0. Cos 0 how much is there? 1. See here the what is the values are taken by the 0. Whenever coming by the plus 1 is the 0. Next 90. 90 is nothing but 2 pi by 2. 90 is nothing but 2 pi by 2. sorry, pi by 2 is not coming by there. Again the minus 1, 80. 180 is nothing but pi. Next 360. 360 is nothing but 2 pi and 3 pi and so on. So this is the omega 1 minus omega 2 by into t. Because of the cos when you are coming by there 0, 180, 360. See 0 is the 0 and 180 is nothing but pi. 360 is nothing but 2 pi and remaining is 3 pi and so on. Next the 2 is like the cross multiplication. Omega 1 minus omega 2 into t is equal to 2 into 0, 0. 2 into pi, 2 pi. 2 into 2, 4 pi and 6 pi and so on. And this omega 1 is omega 2 we also take this side. The t is equal to 0 by omega 1 minus omega 2, 2 pi by omega 1 minus omega 2, 4 pi by omega 1 minus omega 2 and so on. 0 by something, 0. Then taken the 0. And the 2 pi by omega 1 minus omega 2 and the 4 pi by omega 1 minus omega 2 and so on. This is the time interval for the maximum intensity. What is it? 0, 2 pi by omega minus omega 2 and 4 pi by omega minus omega. Therefore, the time interval between any two maximum frequency. See here, the Ne2 is nothing but is here the delta t. Delta t is equal to, we take the differences N2 minus N1 or T2 minus T1. The T2 minus T1 is taken. What is taken by here? The 2 pi by omega 1 minus omega 2 minus 0. See that is equal to how much is that? 2 pi by omega 1 minus omega 2. So delta t. Since we know the formula omega is equal to 2 pi by t and 1 by t is nothing but a frequency 2 pi into n. Now get idea the 2 pi by 2 pi into n1 minus 2 pi into n2. Similarly we can write delta t. And this delta t is equal to, take the common for the other 2 pi n1 minus n2. This 2 pi is gets cancelled. This delta t is equal to 1 by n1 minus n2. Time interval between two consecutive minimum intensity. So before, what is the topic discussing whether for maximum intensity? This is the for minimum intensity. In minimum intensity, cos of omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t is equal to 0. The minimum is nothing but 0. The cos is taken this side. Omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t is equal to cos inverse of 0. Already we see the cos values. Cos of 0, how much is there? Is 1. Cos of 90, that is equal to 0. Cos of 180 is equal to minus 1. Cos of 270 is equal to 0. Cos of 360 is equal to how much is there? Again the 1. So this is the value. The cos inverse of 0. The cos 0 whenever coming by there is a 90 degrees. The 90 is nothing but is denoted by the pi by 2. What is denoted by the pi by 2? Next, whenever is coming by the 270, the 270 is nothing but 3 pi by 2 and pi by 2 and so on. This is the omega 1 minus omega 2 by 2 into t. Then the 2 take the cross multiplication. Omega 1 minus omega 2 into t is equal to 2 pi by 2, 6 pi by 2, 10 pi by 2 and so on. The 2 gets cancelled, and here the 3 and here the 5 times. See, that is equal to pi comma 3 pi comma pi pi comma and so on. This is the omega 1 minus omega 2 into t. This omega 1 minus omega 2 is taken this side. The t is equal to pi by omega 1 minus omega 2 and 3 pi by omega 1 minus omega 2 and pi pi by omega 1 minus omega 2 and so on. See, we can write here the time interval between. Therefore, the time interval between any two consecutive minimum is also called beat period. What is called the beat period? Now see the time between any two consecutive. Any two consecutive means nothing but we take that this is the first two of the differences. The delta t is equal to t2 minus t1. t2 is equal to how much is there here? 3 pi by omega 1 minus omega 2 minus of pi by omega 1 minus omega 2. And here the omega 1 minus omega 2, take the LCM. The 2 pi minus pi, that is equal to how much is there here? The 2 pi. 3 pi minus pi is equal to 2 pi by omega 1 minus omega 2 is equal to delta t. And here we know the omega angular velocity or angular frequency omega is equal to 2 pi by t. The 1 by t is called as a frequency. We can write the 2 pi into L. See, you can write the 2 pi by 2 pi into N1 minus 2 pi into N. Then you have to take the common for the 2 pi. 2 pi will take the common. N1 minus N. Again 2 pi is gets cancelled. This delta t is equal to 1 by N1 minus N2. N1 minus N2. See, that is called the time interval between any two consecutive. The minimum also is called as the beat frequency. Now observe here the maximum also delta theta is equal to 1 by N1 minus N2, and minimum also the time interval will be also 1 by N1 minus N2. That means the beat frequency will be same. The reciprocal of of beat period is called beat frequency. See, the reciprocal of beat period. The reciprocal of beat frequency N is inversely proportional to the 1 by delta t. Because of the reciprocal of beat period is called beat frequency, that we can write the N is inversely proportional to 1 by t. See, 1 by delta t. 1 by delta t is equal to how much is there? We can write the N is inversely proportional to 1 by N1 minus N2. The denominator of the denominator is like the numerator. This N is equal to N1 minus N2. N is called beat frequency. See, this is the beats definition and beats time period formula and beats the frequency one. So what are its uses? What will be the uses? Now we are discussing about the uses of the beat. See, the next we can use discussing about the topic is the uses of beats. See, what are the uses is there? See, the mainly we are discussing about the three uses are there. The first one is that the phenomena of beats. The phenomena of beats can be used to find unknown frequency of sound. Unknown frequency of the sound. When we take the two tuning forks, the one is producing of the frequency, another one is producing also frequency, but the one is given by the value, the other one is not given. To using of this phenomena of the beats frequency, then find out the unknown frequency of the sound. And next, the musician used to the beats the phenomena in the tuning their instrument. The instrument can be tuned to the musician, then using of this beats. Next, the beats are used to produce the special effect in a cinematography. So where we can use it in cinematography, the special effect means the sound effect, the sound effect can be used to produce only for a beats. The another can be also there. The another is the beats can be also determine the dangerous gases in mines. What is the dangerous gases in mines also we can find the using of this beats. This is the mainly uses of the beats.